Good morning, students. Now, as we have completed the topic My India, now we are proceeding towards second topic, that is birds and animal kingdom. Today we will take only I will take only two topics, that is intelligent animals and amazing crabs. So intelligent animals means page number 6. So these identify these animals by their given description and write their names. So these are the intelligent animals. First is they have an excellent memory. They self-medicate in their hives in different ways and engineer the very complex honeycomb structure. So that is honeybee. Second, they are extremely intelligent. They have advanced spatial learning capacity, navigational abilities, and use creative predatory techniques. So, as you can see in the picture, that is octopus. Third, they have highly involved social capabilities, loving behavior, amazing memories, and can remember friends and enemies for a half century or more. That is elephant. Fourth, they are the ultimate team players, but they display great individual intelligence as well. That is ant. Fifth, they demonstrate high intelligence and can also accurately read emotion. So that is dog. Sixth, they remember communication of their fellow tank mates for at least 20 years. They can also immediately notice themselves in a mirror. So that is dolphin. Seventh, they demonstrate elaborate communication techniques and cultural exchange. They have great team organizational skills. So that is whale. So eighth, they are curious and playful. They are incredibly smart. So that is cockatoo. So these are some of the intelligent animals. So now next, according to index, is amazing crabs. So we will go to page number 38. So amazing crabs, identify these crabs by their given description and choose correct option. First is they occupy coastal Mexico and Central America. They are forest dwellers subsisting on leaves and seedling and usually feed at night. They spend most of their time on land, but they must return to the water by to lay their eggs. So that is Halloween crab. Second, this amazing creature is covered with spines to aid in camouflaging and protecting it from predators. They are known to occupy depths as great as 730 meters. At these depths, they feed on sea stars, other crabs, and detritus that falls from above. So that is spiny king crab. Third, this tiny monster live inside grooves of soft coral and feed on plankton. Ranging from the Indian Ocean and throughout the Western Pacific, they coexist peacefully with an array of other creatures that dwell amongst the coral. So, as they stay among the coral, it is soft coral crab. Second, as you can see, spines, they are called as spiny king crab. Fourth one, ranging from the Indian Ocean through the Pacific, these crabs are found wherever there are sea urchins and particularly fire urchins whose spines are their favorite food. They are a pretty peaceful bunch and are well suited to aquarium living, so that is zebra crab. Fifth one, these crabs are beautiful and very fragile, often losing limbs when fleeing predators and growing them back later. They live on the mucus from sea anemones. They keep anemones clean and are immune from their poison, while anemones keep the crab safe from outside predators. So that is porcelain crab. So these are the types of the crab. Now quiz time, choose the correct option. Crabs belongs to a group of animals known as the crustaceans. So that is true. Second, male adult edible crabs generally have larger chelipeds, that is claws, than female adult edible crabs. So that is true. Third, crabs can support sea anemones on their shells. So that is true. The male pea crab spends its entire life inside a shellfish. That is false. Fifth one, the long-clawed porcelain crab has just 3 pair of legs, not 4. Yes, that is false. So I am not proceeding towards the other topics. So as you know, for PT1 you will be having two topics, that is My India and Birds and Animal Kingdom. All the subtopics you have to read it. Question will be in MCQ form and 15 questions will be given. Thank you.